Hello, everybody. This is our Group 7 Understanding of Field Architect group project. My name is Pei Xuan, and this is my ID card.
Okay, and I'm Jiahao.
Hi, everyone. I'm Angel. I'm a second year business student. This is my ID card.
I'm Xiaohan, and this is my one card. So Jiahao, can you introduce your major?
Okay, I'm currently in my third year of studying computer science. My main focus is on artificial intelligence and software development. I've always been fascinated by how technology can solve real-world problems. This program has given me a strong foundation in programming, like system design, machine learning, and reinforcement learning. I'm especially interested in how AI can be used in fields like healthcare and automation and so on to create intelligent, user-focused solutions.
And what kind of jobs or positions are available in your field, and which ones have you considered and why?
Careers in computer science includes like software developer, data scientist, AI engineering, and cybersecurity analyst. I'm most interested in software development and AI engineering because I enjoy building things and solving complex problems. The idea of training machines to learn from data and make intelligent decisions really excited me, and I want to contribute to projects that made a positive impact.
And which other majors or fields does your major usually interact with? And can you give me one specific example?
Computer science often overlaps with healthcare, engineering, and data science. I'm currently working on a project where we use computer vision to assess the severity of periodontitis by analyzing dental images. This involves collaborating with dental professionals to ensure the model is clinically accurate. It's a great example of how AI can support medical diagnostic and improve efficiency in healthcare.
And what do you think is the biggest challenge or misconception about your major? And what's
Um,
your view on it?
Okay. A common misconception is that computer science is just about coding alone, but in reality, collaboration is a big part of the field. Like whether it's software development or research, we often work in teams to solve problems. Like communications and teamwork are just as important as technical skills.
And what changes or trends do you expect in your major in the next 5 to 10 years? And how will you respond to these changes?
Over the next 5 to 10 years, AI will continue to grow, especially in generated models and human AI collaboration. There will also be more focus on ethics and data privacy. To prepare for these changes, I focus on learning core technologies and stay updated by following open source projects on GitHub. I also aim to build interdisciplinary skills for working across different fields. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Hi, patient.
Hi.
Please introduce yourself and your discipline.
I'm a student in the computing science program at the University of Alberta. I've always been passionate about problem solving and using technology to make a difference. My interests include artificial intelligence and software development, and I'm excited to explore how computer can be applied in different areas of society.
Okay, and what are typical careers in your field? And what are careers you have considered and why?
Typical careers in computing science include software developer, data analyst, system architect, and cybersecurity specialist. Personally, I'm really interested in becoming a machine learning engineer because I enjoy working with data and building intelligent systems. I think AI has the potential to transform industries and solve real-world problems, which makes it really exciting to me.
Okay, and what are other fields of study that your field interacts with? And explain. Thank you.
Computer science connects with many other fields. For example, in healthcare, computer scientists work with doctors and researchers to develop tools like a diagnostic AI or patient data data system. I once worked on a class project simulating disease spread, which combined computer with biology and statistics. That really showed how powerful cross-disciplines collaboration can be.
Okay. And what is a common misconception people have about your field and how will you respond to it?
A lot of people think computing science is just about sitting alone and coding all day, but actually collaboration is a big part of it. We often work in a team, especially in projects and real-world applications. Communications and teamwork are just as important as technical skills in this field.
Okay. And what trends do you see in your field and how will you respond to them?
I think in the next decade, I think computing science will become more intelligent with field like climate science, education, and public health. AI and ethical computing will also become a big topic. To adapt, I plan to keep building the technical and the software skill, stay informed through online learning, and get hands-on experience through internship and collaborative project.
Okay. Thank you, patient.
Um, okay, Andrew, please introduce yourself and your disciplines.
Hello, my name's Angel Lee. I'm currently a second year undergraduate student in the Bachelor's of Commerce. I'm majoring in marketing and minor in accounting. I chose this field because I'm passionate about understanding how the business world operates, making strategic decisions, and creating value in the economy.
Okay, what are typical careers in your field and what are careers you have considered? Why?
Under my major, some typical careers include accountants, marketing specialists, and other related jobs. Personally, I have considered a career in the marketing field because I'm interested how brands connect to consumers and influence the purchasing decisions.
Okay, what are other fields of studies that your field of study interacts with? And explain a specific situation in which this occurs.
My field often interacts with other areas in business, such as accounting and finance, as budgeting and measuring the returns on investments involves accounting and financial analysis. A specific example would be when launching new products in the marketing teams. We work closely with the financial teams to set up pricing strategies and predict consumers' responses.
In your academic journal, what do you think is the biggest challenge or misconception in your field faces? How do you will or deal with it?
A major challenge in marketing is proving its value in the measurable terms because results are not always intermediate, such as we might underestimate or overestimate an impact of strategy in the marketing decisions. But I believe marketing plays a critical role in the growth of the business and understanding consumers' needs and creating strong brand values.
Okay, where do you see your field in the next 5 to 10 years, and how do you plan to adapt to those changes?
For this field in the next 5 to 10 years, I think marketing will become more data and technology based. So like the such as the use of AIs and other technologies to adapt. I think we just have to continuously improve our skills and stay more closely informed with the industry trends and gain more experience through learning.
Okay, I think that is all.
Okay. So, Han, can you please introduce yourself and your discipline?
I'm a second year finance major student and focusing mainly on investment.
Okay. What are some typical careers in your field, and what are careers you have considered and why?
Careers in my field typically includes like investment banking, asset management, and financial analysis. And personally, I'm interested in becoming an investment analyst because I enjoy like studying the market and analyzing the trends of statistics.
What are other fields of studies that your field of study interacts with? Explain with the specific situation.
Finance often interacts with accounting and marketing and economics because we will need finance knowledge to solve marketing problems, analyzing the trend. And for example, like we would use accounting knowledge to analyze financial statements, and then some of the statements and the figures we received are actually from marketing.
During your studies, what do you think is the biggest challenge or misconceptions about your major, and how do you view it?
So like many people think that finance is just simply about like trading stocks and analyzing figures, but we actually focus more on like data analysis and risk management.
What changes or trends that you would expect in your field for the next 5 to 10 years, and how do you respond to them?
So in the next 5 to 10 years, I think that finance will rely more on technology and AI. So personally, I plan to learn mega data analysis skills to adapt to these trends. Yeah, and that's all.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, that is the end of our group project.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.